Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. I got the Morphe Madison Beer Palette and I want to do a little review and also a tutorial with this new palette here. I'm really excited. I haven't tried it out yet, so it's a first impression for me. I just got it yesterday from Swatches and I'm super excited. The colors are beautiful. I have already done a little swatch video, so basically a close-up for the swatches, so I've touched the colors already, so I know how they feel and they feel incredible. So they feel really pigmented, very soft and smooth and easy blendable. Of course I have to try them on my eyes, but yeah, let's jump right into it. So that is the packaging. It's like this matte, very light palette with Madison Beer and Morphe on silver in the front. You have all the colors here with a little plastic, which 100% I'm gonna lose. I always lose them, but I kept it for now so I can show you the colors. So that is the palette, and on the top row we have White Rabbit, Stained Glass, Baby, Zero, and Marceline. Oh god, I don't know the word. That's sometimes a problem. English is not my first language. Sorry if I say that one wrong. And then the second row we have C137, Zeppelin, Devil in a Dress, Fishes, and Banana, where Banana looks so cool. Then in the third row we have Emotional Bruises, Pixie, Fight Club, Prestige, and Jericho. Again, I'm not quite sure. And then in the last row we have Bambi, 3553, Cosmos, Life Support, and Rabbit Hole. You can see there are quite a lot of shimmers in here, and the shimmers are pressed pigments. You can see like this one, for example, is a pressed pigment. This one's a pressed pigment. You can feel it because the glitter is a bit more rough and you can feel it on your finger, so you have to be a bit careful when you apply it to your face. Try to your eyes. Try to use a sticky base so it doesn't crumble into your eye. Yeah, and the matte ones are a mixture of like browns, purples, a bit of a reddish tone, a base tone, like a light base, and then a black. So I love the mattes in here. So you have the perfect mattes and then the shimmers to go along. I think the layout of this palette is perfect. It's very suitable for, to be honest, I think for all eye colors, and because they have like different color schemes in here, so kind of like a brownish one, a purple one, a bit of a reddish one, then also like a glam kind of touch in there. I thought what I'm gonna do today is that I'll try one eye with more of a purple look and then the other eye with more of a warmer look, so you kind of see like more colors in action. So I would say let's jump into it. I'm gonna prime my eyes first. I'm just gonna apply it on my lids and then blend it up to my eyebrow. Okay, I'll start off with the warm colors. I'm going to use this light color as a base first on a fluffy brush and apply it all over my lid. And then I'm going to go into this rusty tone here and apply it with a bit more of a fluffy brush into the crease of my eye. I can already tell you when you go in, can you see that there's a lot of fallout? So there is a lot of fallout there, so you have to be careful to tap your brush and get rid of the excess product so nothing falls down your face, which straight away I'm gonna say if a palette is so powdery, maybe do your eyes first and then do your makeup. So I've already done my makeup, so it would have probably been better to do my makeup afterwards. Let it blend really nicely without a lot of effort. Next, I'm gonna go into this darker red, here, down here, and gonna apply it into just my outer corner. They're super pigmented. Can you see, like I literally just dabbed into once, and how pigmented they are. And I always find with red colors, it's so hard to get it pigmented and then not chalky at the same time. Same with purples. So they've done a great job here, because like I just touch it and like slightly try and blend it, and it's already blending out so nicely. And I really love this color here, which is called Banana, which is this dual chrome color, which is like this greenish olivey color. And then you can see it applied on the hand is this dual chrome, which turns into like this green warm brown color, and it's so pretty. But I'm gonna try and apply it with a brush first and see how it goes, and then I might go in with my finger afterwards to intense the color a bit, and I'm gonna apply it on the lid. Yeah, the brush doesn't really pick anything up, even though there is a base. You see, it's not a lot there, so I try my finger. Why does this look already remind me of Italy, with like the olivic tones, the terracotta tones? I love that. And then to make it a bit more gold, I'm gonna take this color here next to Banana. Again, I use my finger and gonna apply it just right on the center. Kind of intensify this color underneath a bit more, the gold. And I'm gonna use the fluffy brush I just used before, just blend it into the sides a bit. And then I'm gonna take the black color because I want to see how the liner is doing, like a liner would work. So I'm gonna take the dark matte black. Ooh, it's very pigmented as well. Just applied. Oh wow, can you see how pigmented it is? So you have to be very careful with those colors. They're very, very pigmented. I'm gonna blend this out a bit. And then I'm gonna use a wet cotton bud and kind of like wipe away everything to make it a nice and sharp line. And then I'm gonna apply the medium red color underneath my eye. And I'm gonna use like this spongy brush here that I have, so it's like a sponge applicator. And I'm gonna use the Banana and dab it in the middle underneath my eyelashes as well. I'm going to use the creamy white in the top corner here and apply it underneath my eyebrow and in the inner corner. And I'm going to use a brown eyeliner and apply it in my waterline. And that is the first eye done. So far I really love the colors, I think they're beautiful, they blend really nice. The only downside, as I said, is the fallout it has. You have to be careful, which is recommend doing your foundation and your concealer afterwards. So I haven't applied any concealer under my eye yet, so I'm going to do that later to kind of get rid of all the fallout. And moving on to the other eye, I want to do like a purple look. And for the purple, I'm going to start off with this light color here on the side and apply it all over my lid. And then this time I want to use a pressed pigment, which is this one here. And what I've done is I've wetted my brush a little bit, and I'm just gonna go into the pressed pigment, because I find even with like applying it with a dry brush wouldn't really work at all. So I can just show you the difference, like applying it with a dry brush and I just go in and apply it on the back of my hand. It doesn't really do a lot, so you can't really see anything here. Applying it with the finger is already better, so you get more color out of here. But I think if you apply it with a wet brush, you just get the most pigment out of it. So you can see like dry brush, finger, wet brush, and I literally just held it under the tap a bit, rinsed it out, dried it a bit on a towel, and that's it. You can also use a spray, but I just don't have a spray here right now, so that does the same trick. I would still recommend having a sticky base underneath, so there is no fallout during the day. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pick it up with a wet brush, and I just like dab it in a bit, and just like carefully apply it on the lid. That is it applied, really nice. And then I'm gonna go into this shade here and apply it into my crease. Again, it really has a lot of kickback. I kind of blend it up with my brow bone. And then a little bit into this little corner here where we haven't applied any of the glitter. And I go in with the same brush into this darker color here and just apply it into this outer corner and a tiny bit into the crease. I kind of want to have the other side to pop a bit more. I just saw this color here, which is kind of like an olivey green color. I'm gonna take this brush here, which is just like this tiny fluffy brush. I'm gonna apply some of that on my lower lash line. And just for fun, because I want to try out the color, I'm gonna go into this color here, to this like lighter golden one, and apply it on top here again. Just because I want to see how the colors work. It's really nice as well. I'm gonna go into quickly the darker red again, deepen up just in and outer corner a bit more. And just because, again, on the other eye and the pink eye, I want to try out this pink color here as well. I'm just gonna apply that kind of in between the shimmery and the matte outer corner. Kind of have like a pop of color there. And take my fluffy brush from before, blend it in. And on this side, I'm gonna use a white eyeliner in my waterline. And then again, to finish off the look, I'm gonna use this beige color here, or not beige, like white color, it's like a bit of an off-white, and use it under my brow bone and in the inner corner. And for a bit of a liner, I'm gonna use this dark color down here. Quite a soft liner here. Again, going with the cotton bud, I'm gonna try to sharpen the edge a bit here at the end. And I was always wondering, before I film videos myself, like why YouTubers always put so much makeup on if they really wear that much makeup outside. And to be very honest, I would not wear that much makeup outside on a daily basis. The reason why I apply so much is literally just because I want to try out all the shades. Normally, for an everyday look, I would probably go with like this light color here, maybe put a bit of that one into my crease and that's it. Put some mascara on and ready to go. But just because I want to try out so much, I use so many colors. But yeah, that is the liner, and I quickly apply some mascara and be right back. Now that is the mascara applied and some under eye concealer as well, and that is the finished look. The pink one on this side and the kind of reddish, I wanted it to be a green one, it kind of turned out to be reddish and not green, so kind of reddish color on this side. That's how it looks. Let me zoom in again a bit closer. So that is the final result. I think the colors are beautiful. I'm really happy with the palette. It was £22, so really affordable as well. You get it in Selfridges. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the look. Let me know what you think and if you got the palette. I don't have any other products from the line, so if you think that other products are good or other Morphe products are good, to be fair, that is my first Morphe product I've ever tried. If you say other products are good and you want me to test them, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of videos. And otherwise, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!